today in Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. So my assigned topic is using printed materials in math teaching or investigation. Catherine Arthur is an associate professor in primary mathematics education. Her PhD research focuses on engagement with mathematics in issues surrounding the teaching practices that influence students' engagement. Students' engagement with mathematics has been a concern to educators for many decades. One of the reasons students disengage is the challenge to see the relevance and application of mathematics within meaningful context. One effective way to improve student engagement in the primary classroom is through the use of picture books. They provide interesting context for mathematics and make maths lesson fun, engaging, and creative while integrating important literacy skills. They also lend themselves to the working mathematical processes that are the core of our mathematics curriculum: the problem solving, reasoning, communicating, understanding, and fluency. Rather than promoting simple content-based mathematics, picture books provide important opportunities for students to extend beyond computation through to problem solving and even further to mathematical investigation. According to Cockcroft, 1981, the idea of investigation is fundamental both to the study of mathematics itself and also to understanding of the ways in which mathematics can be used to extend knowledge and to solve problems in very many fields. Children's picture books can provide a rich context from which to begin mathematical investigations. They provide opportunities for students to incorporate creativity into mathematics while creating links across other subject areas. There are many picture books that lend themselves to mathematical investigations. Some are written with that purpose in mind, and others are books that were not intended for use as a stimulus for mathematics but naturally lend themselves to mathematical exploration. Marston 2010 identifies three different types of mathematical picture books. First is the explicit, second is the perceived, and the third is the embedded. First types of picture books is explicit. This is the books purposely written for teaching and learning in the mathematics classroom. For example, The Counting on Frank by Clemens 1990 and How Big is a Foot by Miller 1991. Number 2 is Perceived, a books with incidental mathematical concepts as perceived by the teacher such as Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Number 3 is the Embedded. This is a books that have embedded mathematical ideas but are written to entertain rather than specifically for teaching and learning, like Honest Garden by Bayes 2013. A good book to use as a stimulus for mathematical investigation is one that builds intrigue and excitement in the mathematics lesson. It may also include the use of humor, which is important if you want to engage young learners needing support. The best way to begin a mathematical investigation is to read the book and then brainstorm possible mathematical questions that could be explored. Once students have had a chance to share their ideas, it is up to the teacher to facilitate how the investigation should progress. Students can form groups and select an area to investigate, or they can conduct an individual investigation that could be teacher-be guided. Perhaps a group could select more than one area to investigate. Using picture books as a stimulus for the different activities has multiple benefits for students. Contextualizing the mathematics using students' interest highlights the relevance of the curriculum and improves student engagement and makes mathematics meaningful, fun, and engaging.